In this tutorial, I will show you how to use OpenAI ChatGPT Assistant feature. This powerful feature allows ChatGPT to respond based on your business data. With ChatGPT Assistant, you have the ability to upload a file containing relevant information about your business. Once uploaded, ChatGPT will utilize the information to provide personalized responses to your users, ensuring a seamless and efficient communication experience. Let me show you. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.